Hey guys, today we're going to look at rotation in PowerPoint. We're going to do a quick fix so that you can rotate from the end of an object rather than from the middle. Then you can do lots of nice rotation animations, for example, like this clock. So let's get started by drawing the clock. So we're going to take this circle shape and put inside the little mini circle as our rotation point. Then we're going to make the clock hands. So we're just using rounded rectangles here to make the clock hands. We have the minute hand. And then we're going to do the same again, and we'll use this for the hour hand of our clock. Okay, so what is the problem with rotating objects in PowerPoint? Well, if you look here, if we use the rotation here, you can see that the rotation point is right in the middle of the object, so it wouldn't work for this clock hand. So let's go ahead and add a rotation animation. So if we go into animation and add spin, so we'll add it for both the minute hand and the hour hand. And then you can see if we play our animation that both of them rotate right in the middle of the objects, which is what we don't want. So how do we fix it? Let's take a look at the solution. So first of all, we're going to duplicate the bigger minute hand, and I'm going to color this shape here just so that you can see how the fix is actually working. So we have the two hands and they're just overlapping right at the very end of both of them. You can see that we're making a very small circle where they overlap. Next, we're going to group these two shapes together. So arrange and then group. And then you can see if we rotate this grouped shape that it still rotates in the middle. But if we change the color of this one to transparent, our shape will now rotate at the end. We'll do the same thing again for the hour hand. So changing the color and the transparency here so you can see how it works. And then we're just overlaying them so there's a small circle at the end. And again, grouping the shapes together. And changing the transparency of the second one to no color. So we'll add our center point back in again. And then it's time to add in the animation. So we go to animation and then spin, and then we can just play about with the speed and the amount of rotation so that it looks like a clock. And here is our final clock animation. You can see that both of the rounded rectangles now rotate from the end. Hope that was useful, and if you have any questions, let me know down below.